Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech. Today we are going to see the second day of DAX functions of Power BI. Before jumping into this video, if you are seeing our channel for first time, please do subscribe and share to your friends. And we are discussing Power BI functions, and in that the first one is date and time functions, which we have already discussed two functions, which is date and date value. For this video, link is given in the description. If you have not watched, please do watch it as well. And today we are going to discuss other two functions for this day, which is today and weekday. How to create these two functions in Power BI and how it will be useful. Those two we are going to discuss for the day. Please do share to your friends who are all needy. Please do not skip video. Watch without skipping it. Let's jump into this video. So we can see we have already created a dashboard of Power BI. To creation of this Power BI dashboard, link is given in the description. Please do watch it as well. And also, moreover, I said yesterday we have discussed two different things, which is date column and date value column. So we have discussed what is the difference between date and date value column yesterday. These two columns which we have created by the DAX functions. You can see the functions are visible over here. So date column is the date function and date value column is the date value function. Now today similarly we are going to create another two more columns, which is like today and weekday, right? Yeah, we can able to enter the column like here. This is by clicking this particular one. Click on this one, it will create a new column. You can see it is created over here and this formula is over here. So what I'm going to give is I'm going to give today and underscore. Why? Because we can't give it in the same name since they have the DAX function, so we can't give the same name for the header as well or the column name as well. It will give you an error. So that's why I'm giving it today underscore today. That's enter. Just enter that. That's it. That's more than enough. It will automatically create a today's function, and it is created with the date and time function. So we don't need time. So I'm just converting it to date. Yeah, this you can see it is created properly, and to customize this you can select whatever the format you need. So you can see today is created. Why we are using today's function? Today's function, suppose if you are creating a dynamic dashboard where you want to see the difference of date between the current date and the previous date of order, when the order was created, what is the current date, what is the difference between the order created and the date, and what is the progress if it is not completed or not. So those kind of stuff, if you want to analyze or else sales and everything, those dashboards, it's very important to give the calculate the difference of current day and that particular day, right? So that's how we used to create the today's function. Now we are going to see the second part of today's video, which is our big day formula. So same, like click on the column, I'm creating it as weekday underscore is equal to weekday of. It asks me to give the date. Okay, I'm giving it today's date, which we have created now. Sales orders today, and give comma return type 123. If you want to know what is 123, just click here this arrow. It says 127, so it considers Sunday as 1 and Saturday is 7. So which means your week starts at Sunday to Saturday, you can give with 1. The second one, if you want to go to the second one, just come down. It says Monday to Sunday, normal, how we are considering Monday to Sunday. If you go to third one, it will be Monday to Saturday. Monday will be 0 and Sunday will be the sixth one. So what I'm going to prefer is I'm going to prefer second one, Monday to Sunday. Click to and close the column. Click enter. See, today is Thursday, so I consider first day is the number one is like the first day is on Monday. So Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2, Wednesday is 3, Thursday is 4. So today is 4. So you can see the weekday number as 4. This how the weekday function works. We can able to identify then which day it is belonging to. I request everyone to try the other format, which is 1 and 3, and let me know what is the result you are getting. We'll see you in the existing video and tomorrow. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Jai Hind.